Hey, what's up guys? Y bienvenidos a mi canal. And if you're new, hello, welcome. If you're into handbag as much as I am, then you're gonna love my channel. So I invite you to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload next. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing from Tory Burch. If you haven't seen already by the thumbnail, then you know what I'm talking about. I did order this straight from Tory Burch. I have seen this for a while and I've been wanting to get my hands on it. I just wanted to get it for a good deal and I believe I did. Now, here we go. Okay. Here is my, what is this? Okay, it's my packing list, my receipt. Okay, so it comes with your receipt in this nice little envelope card. And, oh, that's right, I purchased this as a Mother's Day gift to myself. If you don't know, I am a mother to 4 beautiful baby girls. Yes, they're all girls. This was my Mother's Day gift to myself. Right? Because if I don't gift myself, you know the hubby ain't gonna do it. He just provides the money. And I shop for myself. Which works out great. Because then I get to pick whatever I like. You know, I did not pay full price for this bag. It was marked down to $189, and I used the 10% off welcome coupon code that they have if you subscribe to their newsletter. So that knocked it down 10%, which was pretty much the tax. So I ended up paying $188 or $189 exactly for the bag. So I thought that was such a great deal for this beautiful, unique bag. Now, as far as the measurements go on this bag, it measures 5 inches in height, 7.2 inches in length, and it has a depth of 2.4 inches. And as far as the chain strap, which is adjustable, it has a 22.5 inch drop. And like I said, I love that it's adjustable. You can see it's gold hardware. Such a beautiful gold. This is such a beautiful chain strap. I love how it's part chain and then it goes to leather, and that is adjustable. I love that. It's such a beautiful bag. And I love it has the other little pull to keep it down. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes to adjust your bag. And the chain does have a nice weight to it. I love how great it feels. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Now, as far as the inside goes, take all this out. Here is the dust bag, the typical dust bag, with the little tassel on the end of the bag. I love that. I have not seen nothing like this in any other dust bag from any brand. Okay, one thing I will say that I'm noticing right off the back, I don't like that it doesn't zip any further, just because it seems like it's a little stiff or a little harder to get in it. But I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, one more. Okay. Now, as far as the inside goes, there's 2 slip pockets on this side. Pretty small ones. I don't think your phone would fit. At least not the Plus. Let's check that. I don't think that. Well, if you want to compare size, this is the iPhone 8 Plus, and look at that. So, yeah, that ain't gonna fit in those pockets. So, yeah, I'm not even about to try it. I already know it's not gonna fit. Then the other side, we have a zippered pocket, also pretty small. So yeah, that's one thing. See, kind of struggling here to open this up. But yeah, you have a zippered pocket here. I'm sure your credit card will fit there. Or lipstick, chapstick, whatever. But as you can see, there's my phone in there. So, I mean, it's not that very long, but it has a good depth inside. So it'll definitely hold all my essentials and a little bit more, which I will show you in a bit. So let me give you some close-up shots. Just want to show you how pretty this hardware is. Super shiny. And the stitching, that was the only thing that I was at first not sure. It was how you can see the stitching on the front of the bag as versus the normal Kira bag that's not color blocked. There is no stitching on the front of the bag. I mean, it's fine. It doesn't look too bad. Plus, I love the color combo. It's gorgeous. Very neutral. It'll go with a lot. Could even go with a white shirt, white outfit. It definitely shows up more white on camera than what it really is. This is more of that cream color that I was talking about from my soft Fleming. It's more of that cream color. It is not a stark white for sure. Let me show you the size of the bag. The back. Here is the back of the bag. Bottom. Yeah, and the top. So that's what that looks like. The zipper feels like butter. That's a nice zipper. So yeah, let me show you what it could hold inside. So here I just want to show you a quick size comparison of the Kira small bag with the soft Fleming. So that's side, front, side. It's still not a bad size at all. Also, as far as the chain goes, the Kira one feels a lot nicer in my opinion. Has more weight to it and it's a lot thicker. So if you could see that. That's why this one almost felt a little too light for me. I mean, I guess it's not bad since it won't make the bag so heavy. But I love these type of chains right here. They're thicker, they feel solid, they have a nice weight to it. Now as far as what can fit in it, I already have the phone in there. I'm going to put in my keys. So that's in there. Actually, see how hard it is to be taking stuff out. I wish that would open a little bit more, but my keys, some tissues. Yes, I have roasted tissues. My kids like them. And that, oh my lord, it's tough to get them in there. Okay, there. They're in there. Earphones. A little small hand sanitizer, and this is pretty small. They sell. I got that one at Bed Bath & Beyond. No, Bath and Body Works. Then a lotion. And then I suppose this is not gonna all fit, so we throw in a lip gloss in there. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I suppose you could fit another lip gloss or another little small item in there, but doesn't hold too much. The hard part would be trying to navigate and get in there. That would be the only negative I would say about this bag. that it doesn't open too much, so it could get a little bit tricky to try to take out something from the bottom, or even my keys. I'm going to have to maneuver stuff around, so I wouldn't pack it too full. Just your basic essentials: phone, your keys, card, and a lipstick would be good enough. So I want to quickly show you what this bag looks like on me. Right now it's set, let me double check, at the 4th hole. So that's what that looks like from the front. Now if I were to do it crossbody on me, because I have a larger chest, I would have to adjust this to a lower setting, because right there it hits me right on my hip, and I feel like it feels a little, looks a little odd in that position, but I think I would lower it, and I will show you how it looks like on the last setting. Now it is at the very last hole, and it hits me right on my leg. It's actually not too bad. So I'm 5'2". If you're taller, I'm sure it'll work great for you. Well, that's right there at the last hole. But I'm sure as crossbody, it fits me perfect, right where I would like it. So for me, that'll work. I would most likely carry this crossbody, so that looks great and it feels at a great spot. Boom, boom, open it, get my stuff very easily. Now as far as my first impressions, pros and cons on this bag, I love its lambskin leather. It feels very nice and luxurious. The chain strap, it has a nice weight to it. It looks beautiful. Got a bright yellow gold. It's more, a little bit more toned down. The logo plaque is beautiful. I love the color block to it. Now the only con I see to this bag would be trying to get inside of it and trying to get into getting something that's all the way at the bottom. That's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. So would I be picking up another one in the future? I'm really not sure. I will have to use it and see how much that bothers me. If it's too difficult to be getting things in and out, we shall see. But it is a beautiful small camera bag, perfect for a little date night or something where you don't need to take a whole lot with you. This will work just great. So those are my first impressions on it. Beautiful bag. They come in a lot of different colors, so check them out. That's it for this video. If I could find it, I will have it linked down below, just because I know Burch isn't carrying it anymore. I'm not sure if they'll bring it back, because I know before I have seen it out of stock and then it'll come back. So I'll still link down Tory Burch, but I will see if I can find it somewhere else for you. I'll have that in the description bar. And that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.